We are literally sitting at the most critical level in quite a while on gold and silver right now. It is the pivotal level and probably the proverbial line in the sand. So I am going to show you what those levels are in this video. I'm going to show you what happens if we do get above those levels and what could happen if we get below those levels. Because in my opinion, as it sits right now, gold is still very bullish. Silver has a little bit more work to do than gold does, and I'm going to give you all the reasoning and basis behind exactly why I think that. Now, if you're not familiar with who I am Drew Wolfer, and I am a pro trader, and I'm the founder of Nordic Alpha, where we trade inside of the gold, the silver, the crypto, and even the S&P and the equities market. I'm going to show you right now on the chart why this is the most pivotal level, but I'm also going to give you some fundamental understanding as to what could be happening in the market very, very soon, because I do truly think that gold is going to be in a nice little cycle. What are the fundamental factors that I think is actually going to kind of push gold either up or down? Well, the first one is that the S&P crash is incoming. I've been talking about this for a very long time. I've namely and mainly been talking about it inside of Nordic Alpha, inside of our private group, the Trading Academy, but the S&P is just primed and ready to roll over, okay? It is overextended. It's been overextended. They're trying to hold it up as much as they can. And I'm going to show you inside of the chart right now why I think it's so overextended and why I think now is that pivotal point where it does indeed finally roll over. So right here is your all-time high. Everybody knows that. We came up, we tried to crack the all-time high and get back up there. It didn't work. We came way down here, right? Then guess what we did? We bottomed out a little bit. We tried to come back up and crack this all-time high at $7,042 the other day. And guess what happened? Bang. Didn't even get to it. Came within 17 or 20 bucks of it, but absolute rejection before you even got there. And it actually rejected from a deviation zone outside of one of our parallels that we had inside of Nordic Alpha that, you know, we alerted people of obviously far in advance. And I actually took a short right here, right? I have put options on the S&P. What I'm seeing is that when you see markets roll over like this, okay, especially something as big as the S&P, the NASDAQ, the stock market, right? I think we can all agree that it's looking a lot like the stock market's going to crash. That money doesn't just disappear. That money doesn't just go into bank accounts, right? These are large institutions. These are professional investors. They don't just put their money in USD inside of their Chase account and call it a day and earn no interest, right? They're either going to do one of two things. They're either going to put it into safe bets like gold and silver, and maybe even potentially Bitcoin, and you will see that money rotate into gold, namely, and potentially silver as well, or they're going to put it into long-term treasuries, and then that's going to bump the dollar, and gold and silver would potentially catch a little bit of a fade from there. I don't see them putting it into treasuries. They are most likely going to take the money that they are taking out of the stock market and most likely put it into gold and silver. Now, is that going to drag Bitcoin down with it a little bit? Yeah, it absolutely could. Crypto is also going down. And if money leaves speculative assets like the stock market, what do you think is probably going to happen to the crypto market? Crypto is likely going to fall as well. And crypto is at one of its most pivotal points as it sits right now too. And as you can see, it has fallen from literally $96,000 down to $74,000. And I've actually been talking about the $74,000 range for a very, very long time inside of Nordic Alpha. I'll show you what that $74,000 range is, but that's what's happening is they are rotating. This is the 74,000 range all the way down to here. This is your prior all-time high, okay? And they rotated all of this money. And guess where it went? It went inside of the gold and silver markets. That's exactly what's happened right now. You also have JP Morgan and all of the big banks, HSBC. They're all out of their shorts. They had net 200 and some plus million ounce shorts on silver. It's kind of like they took the ankle weights off of it. It has the ability to move up, and that's exactly what we're seeing inside of the charts right now. The margin requirements, yes, they went up, right? On gold, they didn't. That's why I think gold's going to catch a bid. But one thing I will say is that if you actually do the math, at the prices that silver is at now, the margin's actually less. You actually have to have less money in your account because of how much it costs to own that contract. Because silver is down 30 7%, or it went down 37%. So the margin requirements actually aren't as high because the cash value of silver is lower. Those are a lot of the reasons why I truly think that gold and silver have a path to new all-time highs, but I'm going to show you on the charts why we also have that path to all-time high. And this is the level. This is it, the level of levels. Bang, right there, baby. That's the only one that you have to get through, right there. $5,075. This is a tool that anyone can use. I measured from the high to the low of this dump. Again, no pullbacks, no brakes, no parachute, no bungee cord, nothing to snap you back up. Absolutely tanked. And this is your 0.618 fib. We truly need to get above this level. Now, if we do get above this level, that is what opens you up to not only the all-time highs right here at about $5,600 and some odd dollars, but then even further than that to $6,000 and even more. That is what this one level right here is what is going to open you up to that. Now, there is but one level that we have to uphold in order for us to stay in this uptrend, and that level is literally right here. That is the line in the sand. It is literally the $4,423 level. Those are the only two levels, in my opinion, right now that matters. $4,432 and call it $5,075. Now, obviously, those bottom levels, I called those out days, if not weeks in advance inside of Nordic Alpha. So if that is something that you want, you will not get it on YouTube. We took longs down there. We took shorts at the top. It's not something I told people on YouTube, but if that's the information that you want, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is $29 a month. It is less than $1 a day right now. The pricing will be going up in 2026. We offer discounts as it sits right now on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships. So get in where you fit in if you want my trade setups. We'll be glad to have you in there. Now on silver, it's basically the same, okay? You're looking at, you need to break above $95. Now, obviously, silver needs to continue up past 100, but you have to get above $95, and the only other level that matters, right there, baby, $71.20. As long as you can break up above this level right here and stay above this level right here, you are in good shape to continue up towards your all-time highs near $122, and then further than that to my massive targets north of $135. So those are the reasons why I think that silver and gold are actually in a bullish case right now, and those are the parameters that, in my opinion, need to be met. Now, obviously, if you like content like this, I appreciate you. The only thing I ask, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so you don't miss information like this ever again. And honestly, if you want the highest level information, where I give you my trade setups, way, way, way higher level TA, you want the real sauce, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. It's $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day, and we're offering discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships. So hopefully, I see you inside of Nordic Alpha very soon. I appreciate you so much. Everybody have a wonderful day.